welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week, which is Wednesdays and sometimes on Fridays. So with that being said, you all, I have a cosmetic company store slash luxury haul, makeup haul. So if you want to see what I got in this hair bag, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button, y'all, because I looked on the stats of my YouTube channel and a lot of y'all are watching my videos, but y'all not subscribing. So go ahead and click that subscribe button, y'all, because it really will help out my channel. So with that being said, we're going to jump straight into this hair luxury makeup haul. I did go to the cosmetic company store located at your local outlet malls. We have two here in Georgia, and I like to go to the cosmetic company store because they sell brands like MAC, Tom Ford, Estee Lauder, Clinique, Bobbi Brown, and they also sell Smashbox. So with that, you don't pay full price, because you know here on this channel, if your girl can save some coins, I'm saving some coins. Okay, I used to go to the cosmetic company store back when I was home in PA. So I was home, that was back in the early 2000s. So I've been knowing about the cosmetic company store for a while. I didn't go as much back home. I kind of go more here in Georgia, but I haven't been lately. Let me just say, I got some good stuff. So I'm gonna stop rambling. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got. I'm gonna just grab what's in the bag. Now, one of the items didn't come from the cosmetic company store. I did get it off of the Sephora website. Start with that because there's only one item. And of course, you know, Natasha, if y'all know, Natasha Denona is considered a luxury item. These hair palettes retail for $65, and of course I didn't pay $65. I paid $32 and some change. Yes, y'all. And then they had something on the Sephora website. If you sign up for text alerts, you get 10% off. So like, come on, get it before the sale, because once the sale starts, VIB Rouge get first dibs, and I'm not VIB Rouge anymore. So yeah, so I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna wait for that. What is it, 15% off? Did it online versus in store because they didn't have it in store. Now, when I tell you this palette is so beautiful, I think this is like my second Natasha Denona palette. First palette I got, I did get that on sale as well. Like, do y'all see those beautiful eyeshadows? Like, so beautiful. And I'm sure I have something like this in my collection, but when you see a Natasha Denona on sale, y'all, you gotta get it. So if y'all go ahead and shop the Sephora VIB sale or the Sephora sale, see if you can catch a Natasha Denona palette, because y'all, even if you can't get it on sale, it's worth the $65. I'm just saying. So I just wanted to share that before I jump into the actual things I got from the cosmetic store. So if this palette is still available, I will try and link it down below for you all, but if not, I'm sorry. But yeah, so I did get some killer liners. These here are eyeliners. I'm going to use this one as a lip liner. I'm not sure if you can do that because, you know, I don't know, as a lip liner, because this here is in the color Killer Caramel, and I don't see myself putting brown in my waterline. But again, I may do something different. Instead of, it says eyeliner, maybe I'll put it like at the top, but most of the time I like to wear black. Yeah, just black or blue. Yeah, let me go ahead and open this. And y'all, when I tell you this eyeliner is so freaking creamy, it's just like, oh my gosh, I gotta get it. And I'm gonna tell you the price because yeah, I have the receipt in the bag. So here's the eyeliner right here. I had to go get something to wipe my nose, y'all, because I don't know what it is, but every time I get to filming and putting on makeup, my nose is always running. I was so surprised to see this because these here are still at Sephora and they are still full price. So I was like, okay, I don't shop at Sephora like I used to back in the day, because a lot of this stuff, if you wait patiently, get it from the cosmetic company store, TJ Maxx or Marshalls, or Sephora will have a sale. So a lot of this stuff that's on that everybody raving about now, give it some time. Give it, I want to say, what, after Christmas, watch, a lot of that stuff is going to go on sale. So I'm not going crazy over the Sephora sale. So here's the color here. And to use this as a lip liner. I don't see why I can't use it as a lip liner. Now I never used the eyeliner for a lip liner, but I thought this was a really unique color for me to wear on my lips. So I will let y'all know how I make out with that. And moving on to my next item, which is another killer liner. Now this particular liner I do plan to use as a eyeliner because it's blue. Because I did get one from TJ Maxx, and it was a blue liner by the brand Elf. Okay, but it's a little like drying, not drying, but it was like, it didn't go on creamy. I don't know if I have to like use it across my hand a few times to like warm it up or something, because it was like a little tough, like drying or something. I don't know, I just didn't like the way it felt, so I was just like So when I saw this, I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. And this one here is in Killer Sapphire. So here is the packaging. And let me just tell you, you all, working at Sephora every day, or almost every day, I'm looking at a lot of makeup products, and Too Faced have the cutest stuff. Like, hands down, Too Faced really has really nice cute things, like really girly stuff. I mean, just look at their Christmas collection. But anyway, here's that color. And I got this blue because, like I said, it went on really creamy, because I don't like nothing tugging at my eye when I'm putting on the eyeliner, because it causes my eyes to start watering, and it just bothers me. So I was like, I'll probably get that eyeliner to my daughter, or, you know, it was only like $1.99 or something at TJ Maxx. So yeah, but I love this here blue. I can't wait to use this blue. That's why I wanted to hurry up and do this here haul, so I can start using this stuff. Moving on to my next item, which is by Too Faced. Like I told you, Too Faced has such cute stuff. Now this here is still at Sephora. This here is $27. Of course, I didn't pay for it, but I'm gonna tell you the price after I haul everything. This is that's my Jam palette. And y'all, I just thought this was the cutest little palette. Like, oh my goodness. I don't know if it has a scent. This is something that I got because, like I said, I spend more of my time doing my eyes for work. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead and get more. Not that I need any palettes, you all, because a lot of times I don't need none of this stuff, but I get it because, for one, it's a good sale, or it's like, oh, it's cute. So yeah, if it was full price, honestly, I wouldn't purchase these two. Like, I wouldn't have purchased none of this if this stuff was full price, because honestly, I really don't need it. And moving on to my next item, this here is the Too Faced High Shine Gloss. Y'all know I have more than enough lip products, but I got it because of the packaging. I just thought this was the cutest packaging. I was going to put it on, but I already have something on my lips, and I don't want to have that gooey stuff going in and out of my lips, as you know how when you talking that stuff, you know. So I'm not going to put this on because I don't want to overdo it. But y'all, look how cute this packaging is. And this here is in the color Stocks and Bondage. Now moving on to the goodies. You know, the cosmetic company store do sell Tom Ford, and that's where I've gotten all my Tom Ford except for one way back like a couple years ago vlog. We went to New York for my daughter's birthday, and that was the first time I ever purchased a Tom Ford lip gloss. I paid full price, and then when I came home a few months later, I found out that they sold Tom Ford at the cosmetic company store. So that was the last time I ever paid full price for a Tom Ford lip gloss, and said, your girl got a Tom Ford lip gloss. And these here retail for $54. They're worth $54, but like I said, if I can get them on sale, I'd rather get them on sale. Y'all, look at that packaging. I love Tom Ford lip gloss. Like, they have weight to them. Like, they don't feel cheap. Like, you can clunk somebody up beside the head with this. Like, you can pop somebody with this and it'll hurt. Like, it's not I'm not saying this is cheap, but this here is high quality. Like, you could just feel the difference. Like, I don't know why they are on sale at the cosmetic company store so fast like that, because they still have these available at Sephora, Bloomingdale's, and Neiman Marcus. So for me to catch it at the cosmetic company store, y'all, it was like a win-win. Because if you do the math, with the full price items, I would have paid over a couple $100 for these things, and I didn't even pay over $200 for all this stuff. Like, yeah. And if I didn't mention, I got the color 14, and it's just like a sheer type of gloss, like an everyday type gloss. Yeah, it's just like a clear everyday type of gloss. Once we, you know, are able to stop wearing masks, they did lift the mask mandate in my area, but for me, I'm not ready to take my mask off at work. Now, I will take my mask off if I'm out and about, because I don't have to be up in nobody's face. But with me working and people, you know, with people coming up to me, or, you know, we sharing the same space, I just feel more comfortable with my mask on. Let me know if y'all states lifted your mask mandate or whatever, because they did here yesterday, and I was just like, why? You know. But anyway, but not least, another Tom Ford item. This here is the Tom Ford Extreme Eye Color Quad. I do have a few. I didn't check. I need to check my Tom Ford stash, because a lot of times when I go in there, I'm like, okay, do I have this? Do I have that? Do I have this? Do I have that? Because I have quite a bit. And like I said, I got it all at the Cosmetic Company store. Is the packaging. I don't think I have silver. I hope I don't. But if I do, I'll probably just give it to my daughter. But I don't think I do. Is the packaging. Like, Tom Ford is known for their over-the-top packaging. If y'all know me, I am that girl that's over the top. I just thought these hair colors were so pretty. It's kind of like a dark palette, but I just thought like a going out sexy type of palette. Because with my birthday coming up next year, this is like something I'll wear at nighttime. I don't even want to swatch it, because, you know, I don't plan to use it as of yet. But yeah, you all, these hair palettes, they retail for $88, I think. And nope, you know I didn't pay $88. Absolutely not. Now let's get to the fun stuff. Tell you the prices of everything. They had something like, it was excluding Tom Ford. If you get, I think 3 or more, you get, I think if you get 2 or more, it was 50. You get 3 or more, it was 60 or 70%. However that went. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. So I think it was 60% I got off. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think if I would have got 5, it would have been 70% off. Let me tell you the price. Like I said, this here retails for $27. With the discount and everything, I paid $10.80. Like, yeah, y'all, this is why I don't rush and get makeup from Sephora like I used to. Even though I work at Sephora, I will not be just buying everything that comes out new anymore, because like I said, when you wait, you get what you want. Something that I'm like, okay, I can't wait, I need it now, that's different. At the time, I have no problem with waiting, because I really don't need no makeup, you all. I just buy it because that's what I love. I'm a shopaholic, if y'all didn't know that. The Killer eyeliners, they retail for $19. Up $7.60. $7.60. This one is the same, $7.60. The Tom Ford Eye Quad, like I said, they do retail for $88. I got it for $44. So it's like the Tom Ford is 50% off. Sometimes you may get it with an extra 10% off, but I guess they wasn't having that sale. The Too Faced gloss, no, not that. I said the Tom Ford lip glosses, they retail for $58. I paid $29. So yeah, this is why I'm telling you, the Cosmetic Company store, y'all. Caramel eyeliner, again, $7.60. Too Faced lip gloss, they retail for $22, and it came up $8.80. So everything minus the Natasha Denona palette, this here order came up to $114.26. And if you add everything up to $114.46. So yeah, this stuff would have been well over $200, y'all. I'm telling you. Go to the Cosmetic Company store. This eyeshadow palette, if you want to look into this palette, is called 01 Badass. Last time I was at the Cosmetic Company store, I do know you can call and inquire about things. So after watching this video, if you want to call your local Cosmetic Company store and ask them, hey, do you have this, do you have that? Again, this here is 01 Badass. This here is the Tom Ford number 14 lip gloss, Too Faced. That's my jam. Oh, and then also they have Jo Malone. Did get my first Jo Malone from the cosmetic company store, but when I went in there just the other day, the scents that they had, they were some of Jo Malone stuff is like so I didn't grab anything, but of course I may check them out again to see what new things they may have. Well, I wanted to share really quick my luxury makeup haul so I can start wearing these things, because like I said, I like to do true unboxings. Paid $32 for this hair palette. So yeah, y'all, I saved a lot of money and got some really good stuff. With that being said, you all, if you enjoyed this hair video, please give this video a big thumbs up, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.